Hey guys, somehow I didn't see this earlier, but I use Microsoft Clipchamp for editing my videos, and I just saw right now that I can maximize the video and I can rotate it. So this video was recorded in like a upside down format for some reason. I don't know. I didn't review the recording again. I had to fix it, so I fixed it, and now it is perfect. And if I find any other video that's like my previous videos in the wrong, which I've recorded in the wrong way, I will correct them. So yeah. So guys, I corrected it for you. So,
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Once again I'm back with another video. In today's video we are going to be doing something special, particularly unboxing. Yes guys, we're going to do unboxing of something really good and which I will use every day. So guys, it has become time. Today we are going to unbox the GOOQI Smart Vital. It's a watch. So as you can see, one second guys. It can monitor your oxygen in your blood pressure. It can measure body temperature and it can also uh, measure a heartbeat 24/7. So on the side of the box, it can count your sleep. It has 24/7 heart monitor as we already saw. It has exercise modes, which I will use a lot, and it has steps. So and then on the other side you have uh, your GOOQI cache, which I will not use. So blood oxygen level calculating and notifications from your phone, and it can play classes. I don't know what that means, but it must mean something.
so guys, what play classes is? It's just like when you open the Cookie app, it just shows you classes, how to do yoga and stuff like that. I didn't know this at the time, but now I know it after thorough use of the watch app. This video was made in 2023, which is, I think it was made like a year ago, so now I know I have used the watch a lot, so yeah.
So as you can see, Akshay Kumar is pointing to my watch over here, like I already know. So we are going to open it. I've already opened the seals, so that is easier for me to open. So guys, let's open it. It has a very simplistic design. You don't just like do that, it will just spoil the whole unboxing experience. So what you do is, what I'll do is I'll just pull this here, and then from here, actually hard to record from one hand and use the other hand. So this is a plastic size styrofoam, that there, and this is the watch. So it looks like it's on, but it's actually not. It's just a sticker, I think. So it says, please charge to use please charge to start use Smart Vital. It's like ordering me, use the Smart Vital, you can do nothing else. You'll get this the watch, as you can see, the heart sensor, the monitor. So we'll go to that later. Let's put that aside for now. We'll keep it on top of there for safekeeping. So under that there is a box. I don't know if you guys can see. I'll just turn on my flashlight. There is two things over here to grab things. So I'll just there we go. And now we'll just pull that out. Now there's a lot of aroma coming from this.
You mean chemicals, it isn't aroma. Aroma is from like wine or plants or cooking. This is a chemical box. You mean the smell, not the aroma. Huh?
So you can open on both sides. I'll open from this side. So yes guys, I think this is the accessories box. So let's open. So let's see what is inside here. Let's open it. So let's start with the boring stuff. I think this is the boring stuff. And we'll go on to the exciting parts. I'll take that out and I'll take that out. There we go. So guys, this is all we need. So first of all is our Smart Vital user manual. This is the user manual for the watch. You need to wear it like this, you need to do that, which literally stuff that no one cares about. Yeah, you can just stop the video, pause the video to read this. Wait for a few seconds. Okay, stop the video to read this. Wait for a few seconds. There we go. Stop the video right here. Stop the video right here. Oh, and also there's more. Stop the video right here and stop the video right here. Okay, so guys, oh, I think there's one more page. How many pages does this have? I don't think anyone needs to know this. Oh my god, it's on the back of the thing too. Okay guys, I'll just put this on this thing back. Okay, so now let's decide with that. Let's see this. GOOQI, be the force. Hashtag be the force. Thank you for choosing GOOQI and the GOOQI family. Yeah, blah blah blah. GOOQI 3 months activation code. Oh, the code is right here. I'll just. Okay. So you guys can't read it. So GOOQI life plan. I don't want that. So yeah. So guys, these are the straps, I believe. Ready and straps. So the first strap is a red colored strap. Okay. Now the next strap is actually a purple colored strap. Nice. And the next one is a black colored strap. What's wrong with me? This is a black colored strap, a purple color strap, and a red color strap. Red is my favorite color, so I'll go with red. Oh, and there's one more thing left inside here. Oh, it's wrapped very badly. I don't know. It was like that, or maybe in shipping something went wrong. So I think, yeah, this is the charger, I believe. Yeah, this must be the charger. Okay, let's put that aside. Let's put all this aside. 1 second, guys. Now let's finally review the watch. So guys, this is the watch. As you can see, Akshay Kumar is pointing with. Thank you very much. And let's put this down, I think, to open it. There we go. Yeah, there we go. So this is a seal on top of here. I'll just turn on my flash. So let's open it. I'll be very quiet so that's extra satisfying. Wow. Yeah, so looks very nice, the watch. Looks super duper nice. Oh, sorry guys, sorry for the reflection. That's my flashlight. I'll turn it off now. So it looks really nice. Let's put it over here and back. So as I told you guys, I'm going to get the red strap. So guys, I hope you guys already know how to put on straps. You can just search YouTube. As you can see, I'm making a YouTube video, so you can just search YouTube how to put on a smartwatch strap, and then videos will come over there. So guys, it's very simple. I'll just put it on. 1 second, guys. So guys, after a long time, I finally put on the watch. It fits me perfectly. So yes, guys, fits me perfectly. It's very nice, not loose at all, as you can see. I can put it a little bit more tight because it's like little bit, like one tiny bit loose. So guys, that is the end of today's video. What I'm going to do today, and guys, I'm going to make another video on a review of this watch, like I did with the OnePlus 11R 5G. I made a normal video, unboxing video, and then I made a review video. So with this, it's going to be the same. This is the unboxing video and setup kind of, and next video is going to be the review video, because I need to charge it, and to charge it takes a little bit of time. So it's fully dead because I need to, like it said on the seal, you need to please charge to start use Smart Vitals. So we need to connect it to the charger, and that's like a tedious process. So yes guys, the next video is going to be the review of the, what's the name? I forgot the name only. The GOOQI Smart Vital Smartwatch. So I hope it's a really good watch. I think it will be, because GOOQI is quite a big company. So yes guys. So with that guys, that marks the end of today's video. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Comment, like and subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Bye.